I laughed when my grandmother told me. But it's true, it does work. Good news! Meet this homemade method that will end that agony of cleaning gas stove burners. It is simple and natural. More and more housewives are screaming in the kitchen every day. It is very disgusting, boring and tiring every time you finish cooking and you notice that black thing that is accumulating in the burners of your stove. In exchange for that, there are more and more houses that are preferring glass ceramic instead of LPG gas burners. Stove burners in kitchens are somewhat difficult to clean. It all happens that we forget something we have on the stove, from frying pans with oils, splashes of fat, cream of milk, or when we spill coffee. The most affected are the burners, making them a disaster. When we realize, it's too late. But good news! Know this home method that will end that agony. We show you this trick that will help you clean your burners and they will look like new. You just need a few pieces of this fruit and little time and patience, and you will notice the difference. There are several ways to do it. Here you will choose the one that suits you. Ingredients: a lemon, a kitchen towel, hot water. Application: 1. Remove the dirty burners from the stove, then squeeze the lemon juice out. Add a little hot water to the lemon juice, add the burners to the juice or apply a little of the same juice to the burners. 2. Wait about 10 minutes and then rub slowly with the kitchen towel until you can remove the grease and the black part that covers the burners.